Hi, and welcome again to another episode of Career Growth. I'm sure you must be happy watching our episodes. हमेशा की तरह आज भी हम एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे. तो आज का टॉपिक है स्टडी इफेक्टिवली. In general, how to study effectively. Rather, आज का ज़माना स्मार्ट है, तो बच्चों की लैंग्वेज में मुझे अगर बताना हो स्टडी स्मार्टली कैसे करनी चाहिए और उसकी कुछ आदतें होती हैं. आजकल के बच्चे बड़े स्मार्ट हैं, जब पढ़ाई की बारी आती है इतना स्मार्टनेस नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. दैट इज़ व्हाट द ऑब्जर्वेशन इज. और मैं ये कॉन्फिडेंटली इसके लिए बोल रही हूँ, रिसेंटली वी जस्ट हैड अ रिसर्च जो हमने बच्चों पे किया था और उन्हें पूछा गया था कि पढ़ाई करते वक्त उन्हें कौन सी दिक्कतें आती हैं. What all concerns or what all issues do they face in studies? And analysis ये बताते हैं maximum students found it difficult to concentrate for a very long period of time. Few of them also said big answers, it's difficult to remember, to study. तो ये common problems थी जो पढ़ाई में उनको they are facing it. Generally they also feel their confidence goes low because there's a fear in them. कि what if they forget? What if they go blank? What if one word is not able to recollect and they will not be able to write the answer? तो ये कुछ fears हैं जो develop होते हैं and that affects their confidence. Also we have noticed that कुछ subjects होते हैं जैसे history, तो उसके dates याद रखना, when it comes to math, formulas याद रखना, science के equations, geometry के theorems, it's difficult to remember. कुछ बच्चों के लिए languages भी एक subject है जो it's a concern for them. So now let's understand the basic tips which will help you to overcome your issues or concerns. First of all, question yourself 4 things. Where, what, when, and how. And if you're able to find answers for these 4 questions, I am sure you would be having good results for your future. So पहला सवाल जो था where to study, इसका आंसर टिपिकली अगर हम किसी को भी पूछे the instant answer that you will get silent जगह पे. I would just say distraction free जगह would be the best answer for this. And when I say distractions, external distractions जैसे TV, मोबाइल फ़ोन बाजू में ना रखे, FM या कोई गाने सुन रहे हो तो उनके सामने ना बैठ के पढ़ाई करें, because that may affect your concentration, because these are the typical issues. And if concentration will not be there, understanding of simpler concepts will also be difficult for you. And yes, of course, internal distractions भी बहुत matter करते हैं. So distraction free जगह बैठना बहुत important है. Second one, what to study. ये बड़ा confusion वाला सवाल है हर बच्चे के लिए. पढ़ाई शुरू कहाँ से करूँ? यहाँ पे it is very essential that some self-introspection needs to be done. Which subject you find it easier, which one is difficult for you? Accordingly, it will be essential to make timetable and allot that respective slot for the preparation. अगर easy subject है तो little less time can be allotted. थोड़ा difficult subject है so schedule your day in such a way that you daily practice it so that during exams it's just simple revision will help you remember the concept. Third question, when to study. This answer again differs from child to child. Here it's more important to introspect your own body cycle. Are you a person who can get up early in the morning and become fresh and concentrate on studies? Or are you a person who can stretch in the night time and focus on your studies? At times, there are kids who cannot concentrate in the morning nor the night time. So the day span is the only time where they feel they can focus on their studies effectively. So here, the first thing that you need to remember is studies is part and parcel. So you have to do it correctly. You cannot escape study at any junction. And just for your information, studies is a lifelong process. From the birth till the last breath of our life, we have to upgrade, we have to keep on learning so that we have a secured life. So the first tip would be start your studies with a proper mindset. Simply meaning positive attitude. If you start studies as an imposed thing on you, believe me, understanding concentration will be definitely an issue for you. Second tip would be try and understand the concept. Most of us have a habit anything that we find it difficult, we end up just rote learning. Simply रट्टा मारते हैं, जो कि गलत है. रट्टा मारोगे, मार्क्स आएंगे, but रात गई, बात गई. You have to study in such a way, whatever you are studying right now, that should be with you till the last breath. So for that, understanding of the concept is very, very, very essential. Third tip that I would suggest is daily, once you're through with your lectures, then be it in school, college or university level, have it a habit that after coming home, just go through the topic, go through the subjects, try and recollect the information that the person has tried to teach you in school, colleges or the university level. That will help you to understand whether you have understood the concept correctly or there are some confusions. Once this is done, I would appreciate revise your concepts again and again by solving lots of paper. Past year के जितने भी papers है, अगर आप solve करो time लगा के, you would understand कि whether you are able to recollect, you feel you have done the studies, but when time demands you to put it down on a piece of paper, are you able to recollect it correctly or no? वो पता चलेगा. तो बहुत important है कि you solve lots of paper. And if you want to increase your knowledge, the suggestion would be refer to various other author books. इससे होगा कि you will have not only the textual knowledge, but you will get extra information which can become handy in your professional life. Last but not the least, whenever you're studying for the first time, have a habit, underline the main points. जो भी आपको important लग रहा है उसे highlight करो. Make a chart so that you can daily go through it and that can become a last minute revision tool for you before your exams. Rather than going through the whole book, flashcards, LMR cards can become really handy. Remember few things. Along with your studies, जो ज़्यादा important है, खाना, proper खाना, healthy खाना and proper sleep. Currently, invest your time in studying effectively so that you would enjoy the fruits rather the results for your future. Happy careers, then follow the given tips to see the difference in your performance. And with this, I would like to thank you all and do keep your friends also posted about our channel Career Growth, because there are too many things that we are going to get for you and for your knowledge and for your information. If you have enjoyed watching our episode, do like and subscribe on Career Growth. See you soon.